Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So your car is now reached our paint department. It's been painted and it's taken out of the paint booth and we let it cure. We do dry it inside the paint booth. We heat it to 140 degrees, 150 degrees for 30 minutes or so. That allows the paint to dry and start curing, the curing process. It expedites it. So after that, it dries for a few 20 minutes or so. We're able to drive it out of the booth. We let it sit overnight, and then it goes into the final finish of the paint, which is to take off any little dirt nibs, any little flaws, and we have buffers that do that. The technology is really advanced, and we get it to where it's crystal clear, mirror clear, and the finish is wonderful. And at that point, then it moves over back to the body technician, the person that disassembled the vehicle, the person that repaired the vehicle, so he can start rebuilding all your parts and reinstalling everything back into the vehicle. So for the more information to learn the next step, stay tuned for the next session.